Poppy from the Sage Family Adventures, and welcome back to our channel. And today we're going to do unboxing of our new laptop. So our new laptop is here. Ta-da! So it's called HP Spectre x 360 convertible, and I'll tell you the specs of the new laptop, guys. Here it is. Put it here. So it's Intel Core i7-10510U processor, close parenthesis 2, 512GB Intel SSD plus 32GB Intel Optane memory, close parenthesis 3, close parenthesis 54. 16GB on board DDR4 SDRAM, no optical drive, Windows 10, touchscreen, multi-touch enabled, 15.6 UHD IPS LED display, 340 nits, Bang & Olufsen NVIDIA GeForce MX3 302GB, HP IR camera, fingerprint reader, 6-cell, 70.9 WH. So it says here, multi-core is designed to improve performance of certain software products. Not all customers or software applications will necessarily benefit from using this technology. And it has a Energy Star, guys. I'll show you. Energy Star, so it means it saves 20% of our electricity. So choose appliances which has Energy Star. So let's go ahead and unbox. So I have a scissor here. We will go ahead with our unboxing, guys. Bear with me if I am slow. MG, talk all the time. Okay, so let's move the camera here. Show you guys how do I unbox it. Has its own back or sleeve. Let's see the back or sleeve, guys. Comes with bag or sleeve. I don't know about that. So it's like that. So let's go ahead with the laptop, guys. Still in the box. Still in the box, guys. Spectre. So let's go ahead and Ta-da! Oh, it's so nice. Really so nice. It has a box, guys. Oh, this is the laptop. The thing about this one, guys, is this is convertible. You can use it like as a laptop or like a tablet, and has a touch screen. It has also a pen on its own that enables you to write or draw and express yourself. Ta-da! Wow. That one, guys. So pretty, right? So pretty. Oops, you see the ring light over there? Yep, I have ring light. So, it's the laptop, guys. NVIDIA is you don't need a antivirus because it has the antivirus on its own, guys. So it's really nice. It's really nice, guys. And it comes with setup instructions. Here comes with the adapter and the charger, of course. The charger and adapter. And this is the pen for that. HP wall warranty support. So overall, that's all, guys. And we also bought its bag. This bag is very stylish. Got this on sale for $10, originally $30. So the pen, let's go to the pen. I'll show you the pen, how it is. Oh, the pen is like this, guys, and you can put it at the side here of the laptop, and then use a charger. What I like about this new laptop, guys, is this is the There's lots of laptop that were shown to us when we went to Black Friday, during Black Friday in Best Buy, where we bought that. Best Buy, where we bought that. This is the like the second most bought laptop and most fast and effective and durable. So I'm not gonna name the other one, but this is by far like also a gaming laptop and also good for editing, Photoshop, and other work that you want to do with your laptop. So this is a must-have. And also the money that we bought from this laptop is from our piggy bank. So I'm happy that we bought a laptop in Black Friday because they're originally $1,599, and we bought it for like $1,099, $1,099.99. So it's like $1,100, right? So we're just happy, guys, that we got this laptop. So additional to that, guys, we got this hard drive, so you can store your pictures and videos here. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoy my unboxing, and see you in our next video. And remember, have faith, be brave, be happy, and be yourself always. God bless everyone. Bye.